Stop guessing and start knowing. Let's dive into how to confirm received money in Cinc, ensuring your financials are spot on. First, log into your Cinc account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Transactions or Payments section. This is where all the financial activity within your account is recorded. Next, use the filter options to narrow down your search. Set the date range to the relevant period. Select payment type if you know what kind of payment you're looking for. And most importantly, ensure the status is set to receive. This will display all confirmed incoming payments during your specified time frame. Click on a specific transaction to view its detailed information. Here, you can verify the amount, the sender, the exact date and time of the transaction, and the confirmation or transaction ID. Make sure all these details match your records. For reconciliation purposes, consider downloading or exporting your payment history as a statement or spreadsheet. You may find a button labeled Download or Export. Click this and then select your desired file type. By following these steps, you can confidently verify all incoming payments in Cinc, leading to more transparent and efficient financial management. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Cinc tips.